In the dungeon we made, we activate the AI navigation, navmesh surface function, and activate the bake that will create the active paths. We use the king character that already has an iNavigation script set up and has a script controlling the canvas information view of the objects. You associate the objects from the canvas. Now we select the door prefabs, which opens using the right mouse button, and place it in the dungeon. Let's try to place it correctly. You can see that the blue AE navigation plane changes, and until the door is open, you cannot pass into the adjacent room. Now after pressing play, we try the door opening. We walk away and see that the door does not open. In fact, we have to get closer and press it with the right button. It opens the door and disables the navmesh obstacle. Let us now try the creation of a door that opens directly by a mechanism. We position it in the room, rotate it 90 degrees. Is a port that has features. In addition to the navmesh obstacle, it also has informational text. Multiple languages can be enabled in this script. Now we create a mechanism with a lever and associate it with the wall. We approach it and set it in place. Now we assign in the door script the mechanism to be activated to open it. Now we approach the mechanism system, we press it with the right button and the door will open.